Madamba has released her debut single entitled Jesu Wezvishamiso. She is in the studio to tell us more about this. Dorothy, welcome and thank you for joining us on Good Morning Zimbabwe.
Thank you, Rumbi, and Good Morning Zimbabwe.
Can you tell us a bit more about Dorothy Madamba?
Dorothy is a young lady who is passionate about the Word of God and wants to say things that sing things that help other people. I go through experiences, and through those experiences I want others to be helped as well.
When did you start singing and why did you choose gospel?
I started singing as early as 2 years of age. It's surprising, but my mom tells me a story where when I would eat and I would be full, she would put me in a corner, I would sing myself to sleep. I found it amazing. And I started singing to large crowds at 8 years of age in church, and I've been singing ever since for many, many years now. And this is now my first step to get professional after joining the Zimpraise Choir.
So your new single, Jesu Wezvishamiso, can you tell us more about that?
Jesu Wezvishamiso is a song I wrote as a victory song during a time when I was going through a lot of things. I sang this song until I got out of the situation. So I'd like to give out to Zimbabwe a song that you can sing through every situation that you're going through, and it will tell you that Jesus is the way out, and you'll definitely find your way out.
How was the process of making this single?
The process was very hectic. You know, in Zimbabwe, an appreciation of music is starting to grow bigger. So as you're starting out with the finances, with everything, it's a struggle. But I'm glad that the relationships that I've kept with the people that I work with are the ones that helped to start the process.
We understand that you're part of Zimpraise. How has that experience molded you as an artist?
I joined Zimpraise with a very clear mandate. I joined so that I could grow from a personal, local level where I come from to a national level, and to gain experience in terms of how music is administered. And because I'm a gospel artist, Zimpraise was like the mark for me nationally to be able to, so that has helped me to set a mark as to where I want to go with my music through the practices we have, the intense practices, the intense pressure they put on us. It helps to shape even the quality of the voice that comes out and everything.
And how is the family and your church mates supporting you in your music career?
They're very supportive. I've been surprised with this new single that has come out. You know, you give a product out and you don't know what to expect, but people have been buying the single and they've been supportive and telling me to do even more. So I have gained a lot of support.
Do you mind singing for us? Just
sure.
A little bit.
Jesu ndiye zuro nasine kusinga peri, saka iwe usazvishore, Jesu ari kukudaidza, hey, kuzvishamiso. Ndafamba ndaneta ndatsvaga ndashaya, ndafamba ndaneta ndatsvaga ndashaya, oh, wezvishamiso. Ndafamba ndaneta ndatsvaga ndashaya, ndafamba ndaneta ndatsvaga, wow, wezvishamiso.
Oh, I must say I'm lost for words. That was wonderful. Any advice to aspiring musicians about taking a leap of faith?
You know, the very first person who believes in you is yourself. And when everybody else fails to believe in you, you'll do the worst thing to yourself if you stop believing in yourself. Believe in yourself, keep pushing your dream, and you'll definitely make it.
Hey, thank you very much, Dorothy, for joining us on Good Morning Zimbabwe.
Thank you, Rumbi. Thank you, Zimbabwe.
We were talking there to Zimpraise member Dorothy Madamba, who has released her debut single entitled Jesu Wezvishamiso. We take a break. We return with business. Don't go away.